Hello everyone, thank you very much for your love and support. Recently our channel My Research Support has completed 1 lakh subscribers, and right now we have received a silver play button YouTube award, and that I wanted to celebrate with my family. So he's my son, say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's open this silver play button and we'll see how it looks like. And really thank you very much. This is possible only because of you, because this channel belongs to a very specific category and still you supported a lot and you made this possible to me. This is a silver play button, actually not made from the silver, but yes, it means a lot to me. So now let's celebrate it. So along with the silver play button, we have received this letter from YouTube. So I wanted to just share it with you. So you can see here, this letter is received from CEO YouTube Susan Wosicki, and this letter again says, congratulations for completing your milestone. So right now we have completed one milestone, as we have gathered 1 lakh of subscribers, family, researchers and academicians on the single platform. And obviously once again thank you very much for that. So let us go back to the channel. So approximately before 3 years I have started this channel. So you can refer this section, about section, where we have joined on October 22nd 2018, and till now we have received around more than 4 millions of views. So videos. So I had uploaded my first video in 2018. You can see I would like to show you that video. So this is the video. So basically I had prepared this video for my BTech student. At that time I was guiding BTech students, and I used to tell everyone separately that yes, you have to follow these steps in order to write research articles, in order to write review articles. This is similarity, this is plagiarism, etc. So I thought, why not to prepare a single video so that I can just present this video to them, so that all the students, all these batches will watch that video and they will get all these basic concepts cleared. Okay, and for that I had prepared this video and I simply uploaded this video on YouTube. I have shared that link with those students, those 8-10 students, and then after uploading 1 or 2 videos I literally had left the YouTube. And when I get back after a few months, then it was really surprising for me, because this video has got around 1 lakh of views, and I also got a very good subscribers gain. And from that point I have started uploading the videos, and right now you made this me possible and we have received this silver play button. So this is a kind of award for me, because as I have mentioned in the starting itself, this area is very specific, and even though in this specific field I am uploading the videos, and still we have got, or we could reach this 1 lakh subscribers family. So thank you very much. And I wanted to say sorry to all of you, because see, every day I receive around 100 plus emails and messages, and even though I try, but it becomes difficult for me to answer every message, to answer every email, or to answer every call. So from next week I am planning to conduct a live session every week, so that you can ask your questions there, and I'll try to answer all these questions. So, and definitely I will assure you that from this point onwards I will try my level best to deliver a quality content that will help you, that will help all the researchers, academicians. So once again thank you very much for your love and support. So keep supporting me and make this channel to reach to gold button. From this silver play button means we need 1 million of subscribers, so I'll definitely try for that. So your support is obviously needed. So thank you very much.